Okay, last two problems. I didn't think this would be this long, but these are pretty involved. Maybe I'll knock down the quiz and we won't do the last two on the quiz. Okay. Uh, well, these could be pretty darn easy, okay? I want to get r, so I want to get down, I want to get r to the first power equals, and that's what r equals, correct? So right now, r to the 4/5, well, r to the 4/5, if I take that to the 5/4, I get 81 to the 5/4. And I believe you can put that in your calculator. You can get 5/4. Let's just see real quick. Can you see this calculator here? We're going to get 80. Let's see, turn it on. 81. There's that to the button, right? This X and the little square in the exponent spot. And then I'll do now I can do a fraction. And I'll do 5 down force equals. All right, 243. So just use your calculator here. We're going to cut to the chase. Just use that. You know what you're doing. Oh, 245, 243. Okay. Aha, this one is tricky too also though, guys. Because what it actually is, let's go down here. I'll do the long version and show you why. You got to be careful. I am taking, so I'm going to have r equals, right, 5/4 times 4/5 times 5/4 gives me 1. That's what I want. This is 81 to the 1/4 power, this up here, to the 1/4 power to the 5th power. R, the 4th root of 81 to the 5th power. So there's two numbers that I could multiply times itself 4 times because this is even number. If it's a square, if it's 2, 4, 6, then this can be, r could be plus or minus 3 to the 5th power. Okay, and so that gives me two answers. R is negative 243 and 243. Check that out, a little bit tricky there. That's what makes these two a little bit longer, okay? So there's two answers. Because the denominator here is, the denominator here is an even number. Because it's an even number, that means I'm taking the 4th root. It could be a negative or positive. Okay? Same here. So this is the same problem. 4.2.81. X to the 3/2, take that to the 2/3 so that I get my x to the first power, which is what I want. And I got to do the same thing to both sides, solving an equation to the 2/3 power. All right, now this one I don't have two answers because now my base is an odd number. So that's cool. So I'm going to have x to the first power equals the cube root, because this would be a little note down here, 27 to the 2/3 equals 27 to the 1/3 squared. Okay, so 27 cube root of 27 squared. Okay, so I'm rearranging, just having fun with exponents. This is exponent review, big time. Okay, so now I got x equals, well, the cube root of 27 is just 3. It can only be 3. It can't be negative 3, because negative 3 times negative 3 times negative 3 gives me negative 27. And that's not what I want. I want 27. So here I got, this is going to be 3 squared equals 9. You can also just use your calculator right here. And so this x is just 9, not negative 9. We can do this in the calculator. Clear your calculator. You want right here. We could start right here. Just that first step. 27 to the and 2/3. 2 down 3 equals 9. Okay, so the main thing as you can see, guys, you got to be careful. This one is just 9. This answer is 2 answers because my denominator in the exponent is even. And same thing over here. I'm taking my denominator in my exponent right there, see? So the square root of 16 is -4 and 4. -4 squared is 16. 4 squared is 16. So just be careful with that. Good luck, guys.